AI in the workplace, the future of jobs. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into a hot topic that's been on everyone's mind: AI in the workplace. Is it a threat to your job or an opportunity for something greater? Let's find out. AI is rapidly transforming industries across the globe. From automating routine tasks to providing predictive analytics, it's clear that AI is not just a passing trend, it's the future. According to recent studies, 40% of jobs could be automated by AI within the next decade. But does that mean your job is at risk? While it's true that AI can replace some tasks, it's also creating new opportunities for those ready to adapt. For example, jobs in data analysis, AI maintenance, and even AI ethics are booming. The key is to embrace change and upskill yourself to work with AI, not against it. Think of AI as your new teammate, handling repetitive tasks so you can focus on more creative and strategic work. So, what's the takeaway? AI is here to stay, but it doesn't have to be a threat. By staying informed and continuously learning, you can position yourself to thrive in this evolving landscape. Remember, the future of work is not about competing with AI, but collaborating with it. Have you started upskilling yet? Share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more insights on navigating the modern workplace. Until next time, keep innovating and stay ahead of the curve.